All of you welcome to the Digital Marketing Club. We are glad and proud to represent this club. And these days social media has been tremendously expanding, and nowadays nobody lives without the social media. So it has been impacting the greatest values, and it has instilled the deepest rooted values. So we are going to talk about the social media. But what about the prime objective is that we have to know various perspectives on social media. So let's get it started. Let's get start from the merits of social media.
Hi guys, this is Mohan. Now I'm going to say about the advantages of social media. Social media, which plays the most important role. In our day-to-day life, we all are addicted to the social media. It will be a most helpful thing. If you go to a social media means, it's like we can able to educate ourselves. It is the most important thing. We can able to educate ourselves means we can able to use all the social media apps like Facebook, Insta, and Twitter. These are the things that we use to share the such information in a shorter duration of time. In the older days, they used to use like PGN or any other things to share such information. In nowadays, it took only few minutes or few hours to share this information. Even if you do Jellycut, it takes only 3 days to reach all these people. That's the power of social media. We can able to educate ourselves. Now these are the points from my perspective of advantages.
That's the valuable points from the merits team so far. And so we have to move on to the demerits team. So let's get it started. So go on.
Hi, this is Percy and I'm going to talk about the demerits of social media. To start with, I agree with what Mohan said. Like every coin has two sides. If something has an advantage, it will also have a disadvantage also. Overusage of social media leads to addiction. Children of a very small age get addicted to online games and social medias like TikTok, Instagrams, and they make reels for a long time. They themselves forgot their childhood, and like people used to play on ground, but nowadays kids they themselves install game and play video games, and they youngsters are addicted to PUBG and they are playing for 6 to 8 hours, which ultimately causes stress, and they themselves isolate themselves and disconnect with the society, which ultimately leads to lack of interaction with people and their lack of interest in studies also.
I am Saranan. I agree with Percy's point to some extent. During these pandemic conditions, most of the people are not going outside. Mostly children are not going to schools, and they are not going outside also. But the studies is somewhat frustrated, so they are not going to schools as well as. But now, social media apps like Zoom and Google Meet helps them to learn in their home also. So social media apps plays an important role in learning in these pandemic conditions. As I have already said, due to these pandemic conditions, most of the people are afraid to get out of the house. And the transaction, whenever they are paying the transaction, the cash in hand, they are afraid. But some of the social payment apps like PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, these apps helps the people for cashless transaction. And this is more easy and convenient. For example, if you go to local tea shops, there will be a QR code scanner. It helps to make the social distance easily. If you scan the QR, automatically you can easily enter the amount. You can easily make the payment, and it also helps to prevent the spread of COVID-19. For example, if you take RFP Selja, it will be more helpful for you to take vaccination. In this pandemic condition, you don't want to go out and don't want to search for where the vaccination center is all about. But this apps helps you to go to the particular hospital, and it will also show the where the location, and you can easily go to the particular hospital and this particular location, and you can easily get vaccinated. And this apps also give a vaccination certificate easily. So this ROG app helps you to get the vaccination easily. In this pandemic condition, it becomes very easy.
This is Vijay. I not completely agree with Sarah's point of view, because most of the senior citizens don't know how to use the mobile phones, because they don't know how to operate the touch phones, because they didn't see in their times, and it was so new to them. And they don't know how to make payments through the mobile phones, such as Google Pay, Phone Pay, and Paytm, because it is not convenient to them, and it is hardest for them to make the payment through mobile phone. For example, if you take reference to the movie called Inmujre, they use a dark net to access your mobile phone, such as your privacies, your photos, and your bank details. So not everything in your mobile phone is not secure. So it is not comfortable saving your passwords and your every intimate relationship like your photos and videos, everything. So it is not convenient saving your passwords.
It is an immense pleasure to introduce myself. This is Tamil, and I am the moderator of this event. So we have been receiving a lot of insights and our ways of stating the problems in lifestyles and work stress too. From my perspective, the social media has been expanding tremendously nowadays, and it helps to amongst the youngsters around the world. Social media becomes a tool to find out more information. It serves education to the every nook and corner of the country, and it serves education to the poor ones too. So it breaks the barriers to study and access online, and also the social media influencers have been so successful these days. Social media, the reputed social media influencers have been earning on a large scale as well. Even though some social media influencers don't even have a basic degree or a basic education, they earn well. So it inspires a lot of people to have to participate in social media, and also it boosts up the self-confidence in uneducated youth too. But the negative thing I see is that we are not protected from malwares. So unbeknownst to us, someone can steal our credentials, savings, and some personal things. So we are not protected, and some social media influencers don't have the ethics, don't follow and doesn't follow the ethics. And some social media influencers don't care about people. They can do anything to reach their authentic reach. They can go to any extent. So everything from a perspective to give the conclusion, everything has pros and cons. Once Oscar Wilde said that we are all in the gutter, but some of us looking at the stars. Some of us are looking at the stars. So we have to entirely switch the negative things, and we have to look in the positive way. So the social media has been expanding, and the social media inspires this young generation in a ton of way. So we have to take the positive thing only. So thus I conclude that though a lot of negative things are there, we have to concentrate only on positive things. So that is my conclusion. Thank you for encouraging us, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.